Here I have UMI Super, and let me show you how to enable power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's find and select the upper bar. Let's use it again, and here let's choose the battery saving mode. So here you can use some battery profiles. For example, here you can use the Intelligent, Sleep or Maraf. Or you can also here choose the battery saver, and let's enable the battery saver just by using that switcher. Here you can also set up your battery saver if you would like to, and you can also go back and you can schedule the profile switch so you can turn on the battery saver in the exact period of time, for example every weekend, every weeknight. You may also open the battery saver by using upper bar and by holding the battery icon. And here you've got the battery saver as well. As you can see here, you can enable or disable this mode. You can also turn on automatically battery saver when you have 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.